The Laysan Albatross Chick hasn't eaten since he was abandoned by his parents 2 weeks ago. To find food, he must now leave the island. In July, the high ocean temperatures generate tropical storms at sea, bringing wind to Laysan, and the young albatross a ticket out of here. And the black-footed chicks are always first to go. A chick's first flight is never a long one, and here it's often their last. The tiger sharks have arrived. And they are very effective. For the young albatross, it's not exactly encouraging. But it's now or never. If he reaches the open ocean, he may not touch land again for 5 years. But there is no room for error. Time to throw caution to the wind. He's airborne for the first time in his life. But when the breeze suddenly drops, so too does the chick. Without wind, he's helpless. A very lucky escape. He's off. He may not touch land again for 5 years, as he travels hundreds of thousands of kilometers across the ocean searching for food.